What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're looking for a pistol light that isn't too big or too small, you might want to check out this one. So I just picked this up. It's not the first time I've had this one. It's this OLIGHT PL Mini 2, and I think it's just like the Goldilocks of OLIGHT. So I just want to do a very quick unboxing and a little comparison with some of the other OLIGHTs, just to remind you how sweet this is. So awesome packaging, as OLIGHTs always are. The beautiful thing about these is the charging cable, which I really love. You get this USB cable here with this magnetic charger, which is awesome because they just drop into like the charging port on these little bad boys and connect, and it means that you don't have to take out batteries, you don't have to put them in a charger, you don't have some sort of port, you know, it's more waterproof. And then here is the OLIGHT itself. Now, this one is really cool, and I love it so much. A buddy of mine was asking, because a lot of the first-time owners was asking for a light for his pistol because, you know, he got it for home protection. I said, you got to have a light, and this one is great because I'm not even sure which pistol you have, but it fits so many. And the really big reason for that is that it's nice and small, so it'll fit pretty much any front-end rail. It has a quick release switch right there, so this will open up, and then you can put this on pretty much anything. But then what I really love about it is the attachment here will slide forward and back and off, right? And so you have all these little detents right up there, and the beautiful thing of that is that I can move this so that it's right up against your trigger guard, so that these little switches are right where your fingers can touch them. Now, these little switches on both sides, so it's ambidextrous, work by tapping down on them. So if I just press down, you can see that it goes on like that. And man, it is super bright. If you can't tell, that thing is super bright for as little as it is. Now, here's where my quick comparison is, and I'm going to do a more in-depth look at this. But this is the OLIGHT PL Mini, and this is the OLIGHT PL Pro Valkyrie. And you can see here, you know, just obviously much different sizes of lenses. And if I just show you here that this is the PL Mini 2, and it's going to be a little tough, and the Pro, and you can see how big a difference these are. Now, I'm going to show you on this HK VP9, and this one is safety checked. You'll just have to take my word for it. So here is the OLIGHT PL Mini. This will fit on here, but it's really meant for full size because even though I have it on the last slot right there, I couldn't get it on in anything shorter because the back end is butted right up against here. So I'm going to take this off, take this PL Mini 2, put it on that top slot and slide it, or I could put it much closer, like on the next slot in, slide this down into the right position, and now I haven't even made it level with the end of the barrel, which is nice, because the Pro, which I really love, would have to go on that last slot, and the problem with it is you have a lot of light sticking out past it. Now, this light is super bright and super awesome, but it is obviously, as you can see, pretty big, and especially if you're trying to use this one with a holster, it's just not nearly as nice. So let's go ahead and look at the light output from the Mini 2 and Pro. All right, this is not pitch black, but I've got the darkest room I can find here down in the crawl space, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Mini here. And as you can see, that is pretty bright, and it works great for CQB indoors. Awesome. I'm going to turn on the Mini 2, and you can see here, if I take away, this is the Mini, and this is the Mini 2. Mini 2. So I like the Mini 2. It seems to flood a little bit better. Now, let's take a look at the Pro. And this one is really great. It's lighting up a ton of stuff. It's super bright and super wide. But if I compare that with the Mini 2, let me just pull this one away. Pro, Mini 2, Pro, Mini 2. The Mini 2 seems to give me about kind of the same effect. And so in a much smaller package, it gives me a ton of output. Plus the little sliding carriage here is just really great. So if you're looking for a pistol light that is absolutely versatile and puts out a ton of light and is a really good value, I think you're going to love the OLIGHT PL Mini 2. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.